This week's phonics focus is going to be on what we call those suffixes. Suffixes are letters or a few letters or maybe even just one letter that comes at the end of a base word. And the really tricky one that a lot of us really struggle with is when a word ends in Y with a consonant before it. Often we have to drop that Y and change it to an I before we add the ES to make the word plural, singular meaning one, plural meaning more than one. For example, if you look at the screen, oftentimes it's just you just add an S. Dog becomes dogs. Car, more than one becomes cars. I just add an S. Hat, I just add an S and make hats. But sometimes we have to change the ending completely. So I want you to watch this cute little video with a rap to it on how to change the Y into an I and add an ES. After you watch the video, you can log into McGraw-Hill SSO, and in your to-do list, you will find this game. It's called Phonics Inflectional Endings, Change Y to I. It will be in your to-do list. Once you've completed that on McGraw-Hill, then I want you to take out your ELA packet, and I want you to complete the spelling page. It will have phonics, changing Y to an I, up in the top right corner. Once you've completed it, I want you to take a picture and insert it here.